up, everybody? Welcome back to That's So April. That's So April. So this is gonna be my first cook with me. The video is dedicated to two things I really enjoy to eat in the morning. Two of my favorite breakfast foods, I think, ever. So I'm going to be making the infamous pancake cereal. Some of you may be like, what is pancake cereal? So basically it's this trend on TikTok for a minute where people make mini pancakes and then put them in a cereal. So then you can eat it like basically a bowl of cereal. So I wanted to try it today because I always like trying random little new recipes and things. I actually wanted to make this one my own. So today I'm going to be making strawberry banana pancake cereal. Yeah, that's a whole mouthful. So we're gonna get started. I'm twerking, but y'all can't see that. Okay, so since I'm doing two different kind of batters, I'm gonna have to do this twice basically. First thing we're gonna do is get a bowl. I got one bowl for my bananas, one bowl for my strawberries. We're gonna do 1 cup of flour, so 2 cups essentially, one for each. And now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. After the sugar, we're gonna do the baking powder. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so now it's the salt. So it's gonna be half a teaspoon salt. So basically a teaspoon altogether. So now that you guys added the salt, this is where it gets kind of tricky, I guess. So, okay, this isn't the tricky part. First, we're gonna combine all these. I usually use a fork to kind of get them all together. Just kind of mix them in. Like that. Ooh. Don't spill any though. After we combine them, this may be a little tricky. So we're gonna make a well. So basically we're gonna kind of push all the combined mixture aside to the sides of the bowl. So we're gonna do 3/4 of milk. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and an egg. So after you've added the vanilla, butter, egg, and milk to the dry ingredients, you're gonna mix the wet ingredients first as much as you can, and then fold the sides in there. And of course, if it gets too lumpy, make sure to add more milk. Add a splash of milk. Always add a little bit before you add a lot. If you add too much, you can't really go back from that.
Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist.
Perfect consistency. I'm gonna put my strawberries in a food processor to get them as, as small and mixable as I can. And then I'm also gonna mash my bananas up, and then I'm gonna pour them into the batters. All right. Okay, y'all, so the strawberries weren't as sweet, so what I did was I added some sugar to the strawberries and then processed them, and it tastes really good. Now that the banana is done, it smells so good. Pour it into your batter. We're actually gonna let the batter sit for 5 minutes and heat up the pan. All right, so here comes the fun part. Here's mine. I just top mine off with some syrup. Let's try this. Go ahead and try this recipe out at home, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed making this one. Let me know if you tried new flavors, but definitely worth making again. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your night, wherever you're tuning in from, whenever you're tuning in. Stay safe, wear a mask, even if you don't think it helps at all. And yeah, love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.